Sorkar TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Phra University, Meghalaya.
Ka Department of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare ke Sorkar Jylla haringkat ka jingit reilang bat ka IFOAM Organic Asia haka arpan terik ujeldiu aja arpan riu kala pelong ya ke International Conference on Women Farmers and Sustainable Organic Agriculture Hasiat Convention Hall Shillong. Haka ni jingelang lai simbentalang de kinomi khmat nabar kari India bat napo kari kenthokru ekonomi khmat ni kenhuon kum ka KFW bat ka IFOAM bat kiwi-kiwi ki kenhuon ki pajujan benta ban kentie ya karep karyang kenthopru yo menteri rangba ka Jylla u Conrad ki sangma ubla long kum ukongsan u menteri ka Sorkar Jylla u bakhmi ya ka Agriculture and Farmers Welfare u Timothy di Shira bat kiwi-kiwi.
Ms. Bernadette Simon. Development Bank. Let's give a warm applause as a sign of our welcome. A warm welcome to Ms. Bernadette Simon, Director, National Organic Agriculture Program. Let's give a warm applause, please, ladies and gentlemen. And now may I request Ms. Bernadette Simon, Director, NO. Let's give her a sounding round of applause to East West Khasi Hills. A warm round of applause for East Khasi Hills, please.
Good luck.
425 rupees. Your applause, please, for South Garo Hills. $60,000. Let's congratulate the farming communities of East of North Garo Hills with a big round of applause.
It's my proud privilege to be here to formally welcome all of you for this wonderful conference, the International Conference on Women Farmers and Sustainable Organic Agriculture that we are hosting here in Shillong, Meghalaya. So first of all, I'd like to place on record a warm welcome and my thanks to our Honorable Chief Minister for always leading the way, for always pushing us, encouraging us, goading us to do better, to do global scale things, to take Meghalaya to higher platforms. So because of the Honorable Chief Minister's encouragement, because of the Honorable Chief Minister's vision and direction, a forum like this, an international conference like this has been made possible. I thank you, sir, and we welcome you warmly to this conference. Everybody is very eager to hear from you. So this is a wonderful event and it's all happening because of your direction and guidance.
Today I want to begin by just stating one fact, a huge thank you to the government of Meghalaya. It's an amazing effort that they have made, and that we are all here as a part of this. And to be hosting not only this conference, but also for the relationship that you have chosen to build with the organic movement. I think that's a huge decision that you have made consciously, and I think that this is one of the steps that's taking this forward.
It's a huge crowd of women farmers and women leaders, I would say, and it's really, I would really like to thank the government of Meghalaya for inviting me for this event. Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Sangma, Honorable Agriculture Minister Shri Shira, and dear respected dignitaries on the dais, and to all dear partners and delegates at this conference. I represent KFW. We are a bilateral German organization. We are a promotional bank of the Federal Republic of Germany. We have been working in India for more than 70 years, and we have like a portfolio of more than 8 billion euros right now on ongoing projects in the country. Although our emphasis has been on more on the energy sector, supporting energy efficiency and renewable energy, we are also very much prominent on the environment sector, which gives us the biggest impact on the investments that have been made so far. We started with watershed developments way back in the early 1990s with NABARD, and that has brought about structural reforms in the national watershed guidelines of the Government of India.
It is indeed a great pleasure and privilege to join all of you at this important international conference which celebrates the invaluable contributions of women farmers and explore pathways towards building sustainable, resilient and inclusive food system. This conference, jointly organized by Magnolia, the Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, IFOAM Organic Asia, and KFW, is especially significant as it considered with the United Nations International Year of Women Farmers under the theme Women Farmers Leading Change Globally for Organic Food System. This global recognition acknowledges the pivotal role of women farmers in promoting sustainable agriculture, conserving biodiversity, ensuring food security, and strengthening rural livelihoods. Meghalaya is blessed with extraordinary natural wealth. Our agricultural traditions are deeply rooted in indigenous knowledge systems that have evolved over generations. Long before concepts such as sustainability, climate resilience, and biodiversity, eco-conservation became a part of global discourse. Our farming communities were already practicing agriculture in harmony with nature.
Lawan.
So you see that they are going to Telangana CMO. Yeah. So good to see the products now packaged, this manner. This is the biggest issue. Wonderful. So you're also putting a processing units and all now?
No, sir, we don't have these.
You have to put a processing units. And Mizora produces a lot of ginger, right?
And process ginger also.
That's what we can do because of cup. One, two, three. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Absolutely. Thank you. Okay. Good product, wrong timing. Sun is still up, so we need some time.
We are still here.
Oh, Jay. We'll try to come in the evening again.
Sure.
Wonderful. So many of them. This packaging is there. This is the the process.
So, this we see is asking for.
That's all this.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the Snem's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the Snem's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is Snem's, our ride, our future.